நூறுயா 400 நூறு
Friends, to be able you, dolphins have a capability to swim 40 to 42 kilometers per hour. Mashallah, faster than my scooter. Okay, let's do one time. Round two. We're going to do the rescue. Let's go. Race. We're playing Timor Aisha. 1-1-1. They use the power only that comes from the tail. We call it the playful dolphins. Roll it out. Let's play. It's a joy. Catch it out. Yeah, show the reaction. You gotta play. To the love. You see them play ball? Let's play basketball. Using the plays, using the rolling, and take out the dead play. Enjoy. You need some more, and more. Let's go play. Bring it all the way in the house. We call it global. With my team. Catch the ball. We catch the ball. We say it's a Gula. That's it. Welcome to the ball. That's why we're taking away for love. We and say what? All right, everybody now keep your eyes on the ball. Attention. If the ball comes outside, bounces back in the water. All eyes on the ball. If the ball comes outside, bounces back in the water.